Hey, what is up, dudes and dudettes? I am so sorry for this late video. Um, well, let's just say traveling is not keep me on my less sharp side. Let's just put it that way. And the fact that this morning I started recording and I recorded 3 videos without audio, I was so mad. And I will just wrote. So first of all, I will roll the clip of the prediction for yesterday. For the sake of prediction and for the sake of having proof, I think tomorrow we're gonna get squashed down under $4. I mean, we'll see a pull up earlier in the morning, but we're just gonna get squashed down because the pattern. But anyways, gotta go to sleep now. Oh, just FYI, and by the way, if you look at the clip that I just looked at it, the one that I think from 2 days ago, or maybe 3 days ago. I do my predictions sometimes like 2 or 3 days beforehand. But anyways, that one saying that after the $4 spike, we're gonna have a down day and we're gonna get squashed on. I mean that comes true. But at the same time, like if you go look at if you roll back and look at where my cursor is, it's surprise time. Because in videos, sometimes when I have pessimistic views, I don't really want to tell you guys because you guys panic, right? Especially for Eddie. When Eddie listens to me talking about pessimistic views, you guys should lock them up. When you guys cannot really take pessimistic views and you start calling me a FUD. But if you go look at where my cursor is, you will see a price and you will be very surprised. Not really very surprised. It's like, holy shit, maybe he is a wild genius. Also, where's our little Elfie friend? Oh, I miss our little Elfie friend. So it's this day, the down day, right? So yesterday, I sort of I recorded something sneakily in yesterday morning before I need to went out for to travel, and I predicted that it's gonna be a down day, even though you might see a temporary pullback. But the fact that the volume probably is not gonna support on everything that's required to have a update, therefore there should be a sort of like a low day. And I suspect that, well, if you look at the short volume, everything is in there. If you look at the short volume, you'll see yesterday the shorts won because the short volume percentage is higher than the buying percentage. And for Roland, shout out to Roland, my boy. Thank you so much for telling me that you want to do the Discord bot, and we're gonna talk to our Elfie friend and talk to number 2 and talk to everyone about maybe incorporate some Discord bot in our Discord. And here's your explanation. You want an explanation of what really happened on our update on Wednesday. I mean, it sort of follows the pattern of MMAT when you have sort of like a penned up sex drive volume over here, and the buy-in side are actually keep winning for the past week, right? So then you will have one day where everybody just starts rallying. But what is so not great about yesterday, or no, the 2 days, so basically the day before yesterday, is the short volume is way higher, not really way higher, just like 5% higher than the actual buy-in volume. So all of the FOMO people who like started buying in after $4.1, their position got squashed by all of the shorts, right? Because by shorting this, the shorts already, let's just say if they shorted 1 million shares, they already made like $1 billion from this day to yesterday. And I'm gonna roll a clip from a video I recorded this morning where I was talking about, there's no audio, but essentially, I'm just gonna put it like on. I'm just gonna do a voiceover. So what I was trying to say in that video is, today we're gonna see a very interesting sort of like a battling with the $3.5 price line. And I don't even need to look at the price chart right now because 3.5 is a very important psychological support right there. And if we cannot fall through with 3.5, then that means the shorts is going to try to pull it down to 3.09, and hopefully it doesn't. In terms of like a fundamental analysis, so what we are dealing with here is you see sort of like a flat it's not called pendulum. I don't know how to say it in English. It's like half of a spike volume. So what does it mean is if we can stabilize around $3.5 here, that means on Monday on market end today, people's gonna be like, oh, it stabilizes on this point, so why don't I buy in? And you will see a sort of like a volume spike on a post market, or you will see like people start selling off. Like both situations will work too, because literally there were no PR for like the past week, right? So they either sell off, but if they sell off, that means tomorrow, Monday morning, it's me update, okay? If they start buying in, that means Monday morning is gonna be depending on the option flow. If the option flow is positive, then it's gonna be a spike up. But then due to the fact that on around here, where's my pointer? Too many people sold off. Around here, too many people sold off. Therefore, there's so many shares on the market for the shorts to borrow. Therefore, even though we might have a sort of like a push up to $4 or even $4.5 on Monday, let's just say they have all the power in their hands to sort of squash it down. But again, that also could be a really great thing too. That means like we have a defined price range, though. So Torch or MMAT just went back to what they were like in 2019 or 2020, where they just stabilized in sort of like a range. And for those of you who are smart and sneaky like me, maybe we can trade options and profit from that. Consider, I mean, we are like tied up, right? But when you're tied up, you still have a lot of shares to work with. But anyways, if you like this video and you want to see continuous great DD and continuous great and accurate prediction, and I know, you guys are like, how do you know that it's gonna, raise by 30%? This is why big brain. That's why they call me break brain. But as far as today goes, you see, like the shorts want it to be lower than 3.5, and everybody is trying to get it to 3.5. And for those of you who are still in AMC, just be careful, okay? Because there's gonna be like double ladder attack in the middle of the market.
Thank you so much for tuning in to DD's channel. And for those of you who haven't subbed yet, go sub to his channel because he provides premium DD content for metamaterials and for other high-tech stocks. And also for just other stocks. And if you just listen to him, he knows what he's talking about in terms of the general market condition, the macroeconomic condition. And if you just want to make some cash, stay tuned to his channel. And you guys know that you're going to have 10 years of good luck if you just sub to his channel right now. And for those of you who haven't liked this video, go smash the like button so he can beat the YouTube algorithm. And guess what, guys? See you on the other side.